Okay, so the world's biggest oil supply shock is now unfolding. The IEA says the war has caused the biggest crude supply disruption in oil market history. Very few people are aware of the magnitude of the disruption. Analysts warn the prolonged energy shock could push the UK towards recession. What about the US? US recession by the end of 2026. We're watching this. It's at 34%. If this starts to go up, we're going to be getting closer and closer to the end game. Remember 2020, the pandemic, massive disruption, worse than what is going on now. They were able to stimulate markets. They had a strong excuse for it. There's no better excuse than a US recession. So this is kind of accelerating markets toward more stimulus. It's been 4 to 5 years of high interest rates, low stimulus. Now we're getting an accelerant. So just lots to stay on top of. But again, the biggest oil supply shock in history. It's a huge deal. Now, Bitcoin is almost near oversold levels. So when this line up here is blue, it is a screaming buy. When it's red, it is overbought. Right now, we're green. So we're not quite in that dark blue territory, which is a screaming buy, but we're getting very, very close. So maybe one more leg down. Again, similar to 2020, Bitcoin crashed to $3,000 before skyrocketing to $69,000. Now, this chart says so much about what is going on with crypto. Transaction volume of stable coins. In green, we see Tether. In blue, we see Circle. First of all, massive growth in adoption, exponential, very positive for these blockchain assets. Second of all, Circle stock is massively bullish, pretty much the #1 stable coin on the planet, one of the most profitable businesses on the planet by far.